Pardon me for this mic, but headphone, I mean, but I feel that I'm loud and clear to you all when I'm using this. So, yeah, let's start today's video. Hey, our beautiful people, my name is Sudapa Biswas, and today I have listed out few soaps which, if you use them, it's really very good for summer. In summers, what problem do we have? We always have this itchy skin, rashes. If you are a soap user or if you are thinking of buying some soaps for this summer, then I have the perfect list for you. These soaps are handmade and they are toxin free. They contain all kind of natural ingredients in them, and yeah, we will be talking about this. The first soap I will be talking about is Soulflower Aloe Vera Soap. The ingredient list in this soap is aloe vera, coconut oil, palm oil, basil leaf, vitamin E, sodium hydroxide. Now, if you're thinking what sodium hydroxide is, is it a it's chemical, and I wanted something organic and all, then please guys, a soap cannot be made without using sodium hydroxide. So yeah, you need sodium hydroxide in it, and it's not bad if you see. Okay, so that's why sodium hydroxide is included. And what I love about this soap is that they have actually given the full ingredient list in their soap at the back of the soap. You know, aloe vera is really cooling, and in this summer you really need something cooling, you know, to get the temperature down, to get rid of that heat. So yeah, aloe vera is really moisturizing and cooling too, and that's why I included this soap, Soulflower aloe vera soap. It is big, it smells pleasant, and the color is green. It's not drying, does not contain any kind of toxin or added fragrance. Many people have also said that it's helpful in pimples. This soap is not at all harsh on your skin. It's very soft, gives you a good lather. The actual price is rupees 300, but you know, it is different in different websites. Now, the official website, the price always drops and you will find it around 150, and in Nykaa I think I am now, it's like 15% or 34% off, and it is somewhere around 200. And in Amazon and Flipkart too, the price range changes around 200 to 300, and in the official website, as I've already said you, it's around 150. The price is always dropped. Like every time I see there's a price drop in the official website. So if you buy it from the official website, then you will probably get it around 150 rupees. You can give this soap a definite try. It will really feel fresh, and you will also get the goodness of aloe vera. Next up, we have the Neve Herbal Handmade Neem Tulsi Soap. Now, Neve is an Indian brand whose products are made by the rural women of Jharkhand. So if you buy this soap and if you look into their soap range, then you are obviously looking into the rural people's work. How come they are manufacturing or they are making something. This soap is organic, refreshing, definitely leaves a cooling effect on your skin. It is really good for oily skin and most preferable for body skin, and also it is good for sensitive skin too. You know, many big YouTubers, beauty YouTubers and fitness YouTubers recommend about this brand and called Neve. I actually came to know about this brand from their YouTube videos. So if they are saying, then maybe they have some reason behind it. So I looked into it and the reviews were really good. The price range is around 130 rupees, and you know the goodness of neem and tulsi. If it's included in your soap, then wow. So if you want to add some organic thing like neem and tulsi in your soap and you really want to get the goodness of it in this summer, then definitely you should give this soap a try. Next up we have the TNW Oats and Honey Moisturizing Soap for dry and sensitive skin. Now this soap is also handmade. It gently exfoliates the dead skin cells of your skin and makes your skin soft, smooth and plumpy. The ingredient list is also good. Madhuri Dixit ne said this thing about oats, that she includes oats in her skincare routine, and I actually did a reaction video on her skincare routine, which went like, it got views. Okay, it was like people watched it, but many people said that I should do more research because oats is really good, and she said the right thing. I really didn't know that oats really helps, but when I took their opinion, my viewers, they said to me to do some more research. And when I did some research, I found out that oats really helps. It really helps to remove those excess oil from your skin, and it's also gently exfoliates your skin. So yeah, that's why Madhuri Dixit Nani ma'am added that in your skin. Okay, I did a mistake, and people learn from their mistakes. At least I'm accepting it, right? I hope you will understand. Anyways guys, so oats is really good. I have also seen many dermatologists and many skincare specialists and many surgeons too saying good thing about oats. So yeah, I have to believe now that oats are really good. That's why she added it. Anyways, I really learned from my mistake, and I hope you forgive me for that. The best thing is that my viewers are there to correct me. Now if you want to be one of my viewer, and if you are actually watching this video, then go and take a look at my other videos, and if you like them, then go and subscribe, and yeah, go and subscribe. Now what happens in summer is that our skin becomes really itchy due to the heat and the sweat, and there's all kind of germs in there. So I am saying you that you can definitely give this soap a try. It will really solve your itching problem, and it's very sleek and very bougie to look at. Like, look at both the textures of this soap. There's no added fragrance. It's absolutely paraben free, sulfate free, so you don't have to worry about that. This soap does not do much lather. Like, if you are a big fan of lather, then this soap does not do much lather. The price range fluctuates around 200 to 240. So yeah, this was it for today's video. Thank you, bye bye, and I'll see you in my next video.